Welcome to MySwimPro, your personal swim coach. We're here to help you swim faster, get stronger, and have more fun in the water. There are many ways to reach your goals using MySwimPro. With our personalized training plans and Swim and Dryland workout library, you can feel confident that you're on track with your training. Start by checking out the Swim tab, where you'll find recommended training plans and personalized workouts. Using your best times, MySwimPro customizes these pre-written workouts to your speed and skill level. We recommend starting with the workout of the day to get used to how the app works. All of our guided workouts use interval training to help you make the most of your time in the water. Explore the swim gauge to see the overall distance, duration, and makeup of your workout, broken down by set, rep, and effort level. It's easy to customize each workout to meet your needs. Drag the workout scaler left to right to increase or decrease the length of your workout. Switch between different pool lengths using the pool selector. Your workout will automatically adjust. Tap on each set for guidance on your goal swim time versus rest time for every rep in your workout. Also, view relevant technique videos, notes, and the equipment needed for the set. To edit a set, tap the edit icon in the bottom right corner. When you're ready to swim, sync the workout to your smartwatch for set-by-set guidance. If you don't have a watch, print your workout and bring it to the pool. After your swim, open the MySwimPro app on your phone to see detailed analytics from your completed workout. Now get some rest. We look forward to seeing you in the water for your next swim.